Okay, this is 6 cups of tomatoes cored. And we're going to use the emulsion blender and blend them up. As that blend it into the consistency you want your salsa. Put your vinegar in. 1/2 cup of vinegar. Add the onions and peppers. This is about 1.5 cup onion and 1 cup of pepper, bell pepper. And he is going to add some jalapenos. To taste. It calls for 1 large jalapeno.
What about that, won't you?
And the one package is of Mrs. Wagg's seasoning, because I always use her seasoning pack. And this is how we make our salsa. We're going to let this cook for a few hours. And that's our salsa. Okay, here is our salsa. I let it cook about 4 hours on high, and you can see how nice and thick it is. We've already tasted it. We did add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit to cut some of that tomato kick. We added about a tablespoon of garlic. But you can either can it or you can freeze it. I'm going to can some, and I'm going to send some to work with my husband.